What's up, y'all? AJ Simmons here, founder of the Clean Biz Network. And today, I want to tell you about the Clean Biz Network, okay? So, you obviously know we help people start and grow cleaning companies. We help people get to the six-figure level multiple times. We got a few $1 million earners now as well. So, definitely stay tuned and listen so you can learn exactly what the Clean Biz Network is and how we can help you, all right? So, first thing first, you're looking at my phone screen, right? And the reason why is because I understand that most of us going to be watching these videos. Wherever I post them, you're going to be watching it from your phone, right? So I figured, why not do this demo over the phone instead of from the laptop like I always do? So if you just click the Google button here, and you can go to cleanbiznetwork.com, all right? So Clean Biz Network. And here's our main website. It's going to look like this today when you go to it. All right. It might look different in the future, but we shall see. All right. So anyway, the first thing you're going to see here is join Clean Biz Network. Here's our actual social network for cleaning entrepreneurs. Okay. I'll go through that in a minute. Here is the Cleaning Biz Starter Kit. So this is where you can buy a starter kit from us here at Clean Biz Network. We deliver all of the supplies that you need to get started with your cleaning company directly to your address. All right. And you get a free year membership to the Clean Biz Network when you get a starter kit. All right. Next, you have the Cleaning Biz Automation Program. This is for the big dogs, okay? If you're already in business, you already have experience hiring people or hiring subcontractors or employees, whatever it is. You already have experience with getting customers, but you're just not consistent with it, right? You're trying to figure out how can you consistently attract good workers and how can you consistently attract new clients, all right? That's what this program is going to teach you. That's the big dog right there, all right? But do not get that program if you're a beginner, all right? If you don't even know how to send an invoice, that's not for you. All right, then down here you can learn about our subcontracting opportunities. All right, but this program right here is what you need. If you're already in business or you just got started, but you just need some guidance, you just need a simple mentor, you just need some advice, joining Clean Biz Network is for you. Okay, so let's go ahead and start here. All right, let's see what Clean Biz Network is all about. So when I click Learn More, you can see that we have a couple of different plans. It says join us today. It's going to be absolutely everything you need to know to build a successful cleaning business. All right. So we have a monthly plan for $49. This $49 gets you our cleaning business starter course, which we used to sell just a week ago, or if not that, we used to sell that course for $499, y'all. Used to sell that every single day. But you know what? I decided to be nice and add it into the Clean Biz Network. So you get that course. Is going to teach you every single thing that you could possibly want to know about starting a cleaning company, all right, as well as growing one, all right. So it's going to show you how to get your LLC, your EIN, how to get customers, how to build customers, how to do your bookkeeping, how to build a website, how to hire employees or independent contractors, how to make a system out of your business, all right. All of that's going to be in this course, all right. Next, you're going to get a networking community. So I told y'all it's a whole social network. I'm going to show you in a minute. It's a real live social network, all right? Full of cleaning entrepreneurs where you can ask questions. I'm right in the network. I'm active in the network. So you're going to get that every single month for $49 a month. Then the other thing is you got bidding calculators for multiple niches. We got bidding calculators for commercial cleaning, residential cleaning, any type of special services to include carpet cleaning, stripping, waxing, scrubbing, recoat, pressure washing, window cleaning, you name it, it's probably in that calculator. All right, we have calculators for that. We got proposal generators. So that means when you do a walkthrough to go meet with a potential client and you got to go back and put a proposal together with your pricing information in there, we have those generators for you. Just plug in the details about the client, how much you want to charge, and this program will create a whole professional proposal for you with a service agreement as well. So a lot of y'all asking, do we have contract templates? Yes, it's called a service agreement, and that is included in those proposal generators. All right, so you don't have to worry about all of that. Unlimited walkthrough. So we have a walkthrough tool right in our app. When you're doing a walkthrough for a client to try to see how much your square footage is and introducing yourself and all of that, that walkthrough tool is going to help you so you can know which questions to ask, because the app will tell you exactly what to ask. You enter the square footage inside of it. It will, like when you're taking measurements, you enter your measurements to your square footage of the building, and it'll calculate the square footage for you versus you trying to add up the length times width and all of that at the end. The app is going to do that for you. You can also take pictures inside the app, and the app will put all of that in this nice, organized, professional presentation for you, all right, with the walkthroughs. Unlimited inspection. So the same thing. After you get the contract, you're gonna need to keep on like tabs on it, right? You hire some people, you put them in place. You're gonna want to do inspections, right? So we got an inspection tool for you. We also have leads. Okay, so you get leads from inside the app, and guess what? You can know we used to sell leads to the public. We no longer sell leads to the public. So if you want to buy leads, you have to be a Clean Biz Network member, okay? And you can be a member for just $49, all right? We got an invoice generator. If you just need to make a simple, basic invoice to send to your customer, we have that covered for you. You can order cleaning supplies from us right here in Clean Biz Network. And also I do weekly coaching calls right now as well, every single Wednesday at 5 p.m. Eastern time, y'all. So y'all can always ask me questions as well. All right, so you can join for just $49 there. Then we have the annual membership. Is the exact same thing. The only difference is instead of paying $49 a month, you pay $4.99 for the 1 year, and you can be done with it. This one is a little bit better because you can save 15%. All right, and that's pretty much it. All right, so remember, if you were on the Clean Biz Network homepage, we asked you if you wanted to get a starter kit. So you can see that option is right here as well. This is the exact same thing. So if you did want to get a starter kit, the starter kit is going to come with every single thing I just told you that comes with the Clean Biz Network. And you get that for 1 year free. So you don't have to pay the $49 a month if you get a starter kit. And we have 2 starter kits. So the first starter kit includes leads. The second starter kit is no leads. So if you want leads with it, it's $19.99. All right, it comes with 10 leads included already for you. And if you don't want leads, it's $9.99. All right. But both of them will ship all of the equipment to your whatever address you tell us to ship it to, whether it's your house, your business, or whatever. All right. And then you can get one with 10 leads or one without the leads. And it's all going to come with every single thing that the Clean Biz Network membership comes with. All right. All right. Now, you can look at here to see all the pictures of everything that it comes with. You can see our reviews and everything. All right. Number 5-star reviews. All right. So now let's go back. Actually, I should have stayed there. All right, so bam, I'll show you the actual network now. So here's the network. This is just a preview of it. So I'm not logged in, but if you're not logged in, you still can preview what's going on in here. So you can see we got something 8 minutes ago that was just posted. Shout out to Kiwi Keith. Shout me out. Saying that was a dope platform. What else we got? Tiffany Thorpe checking in. Shout out to her. She asked for a proposal script. Excuse me, a cold call script. I posted that for her. All right. Shout out to Alexis Mosby, who's a new member. She posted her logo up there. Torian Richardson, he's working on his website, which he learned how to do from the Clean Biz Starter course, which is inside this app, all right? And so I'm not on the app now. I'm on a web version of it. But if we leave here, because this also is a mobile app, okay? So Clean Biz Network is a mobile app as well, still called Calculated Clean right now because I'm still in the process of changing everything over, right? So right now I'm on a mobile app, as you can see. Let me just hit this button to refresh the activity feed. Now you can see Keith's comment right here. All right. And then if you scroll across the bottom, you can see that this bar moves. All right. So you can get, this is the activity feed right here. If you click here. So you see we got the starter course right here. All right. And then every single module will be here. I already completed the modules, but you can see all of these different modules. There's even more if you go on the next page. All right, got SDS sheets. Everything you could think of is in this course, all right? Then the other course, obviously, the Clean Biz Automation course is there. This is the walkthrough tool. You got bidding calculators here, proposals, inspections, leads, invoice, and then you can click My Account if you want to manage your account, cancel your subscription at any time. There's no lock-in contracts or anything. We got an affiliate program too. So if you go to My Account, you can click on Affiliate. And you can get your affiliate link. And so that way, if I click on affiliate program, and you can click your affiliate program, your affiliate link, and share that with anybody. And anytime that they join and they make a payment, you get paid. So if they get the annual subscription, and it's 50% commission. So if they get the annual subscription, you get half of the $4.99. And every single time that they pay for 5 years, you're getting that half of that $4.99 every single year, right? They pick the $49 plan, you're getting what, like $29 or some change a month. All right, so I think it's like $28.50, right? But anyway, so it's another way to make extra income as well. All right, so let's go back to the activity feed. But this is what you'll see when you first log into the Clean Biz Network app. All right, so we literally got every single thing covered that you could possibly want. So if you already are in the business and you may get maybe 1 to 5 accounts, and you just need a mentor, you just need help, you need some support, just click join Clean Biz Network, okay? Just join us in the Clean Biz Network. Go to pricing here. Just join us in Clean Biz Network, only $49. If you don't, and it's only $49. Like, if you don't like it, just cancel it and then leave us, right? But if you get in here, I promise you that if you just take advantage of all the resources in here, from the leads to the course to the networking group, the bidding calculators, because a lot of people don't even know how to price a job, right? Just take advantage of it for $49 a month. If you need a mentor, that's all you need. You already got started. This is for you. Now, if you need equipment, supplies, everything, then you want to get the starter kit, right? So let's go back over here to the starter kit. All right, actually, where is it? Let me go all the way back. Here we go. So if you need equipment and supplies shipped to you, just get the starter kit. It's gonna get you a year to the app, the Clean Business Network anyway. You have a year free to that membership. And then if you already in business, you're doing maybe about 10 grand a month, 5 grand a month, somewhere around there, and you just want to scale up, you ready to go big, Cleaning Business Automation Program is definitely for you. It's going to change your life. I promise you the information in this program. And I'm working on something big for the Cleaning Business Automation people, all right? So that's what I got for y'all. I wanted to do this video because the last time I just did one earlier this week, it was so few details that I kind of left out, and I want to make sure I came back and answered these, all right? By the way, speaking of some details, right? So if you subscribe to a plan on Calculated Clean, which is now the Clean Biz Network, if you subscribe to a plan on that mobile app for Calculated Clean, and it included leads, whether it was the $99 plan or the, I think it was a $199 and a $399, something like that, where we guarantee you leads each month. If you have that plan, nothing changes on that plan unless you decide to go cancel that plan, all right? We still going to send you monthly leads every single month, but we just discontinued those plans, all right? So that's what we got for y'all. Thank y'all for watching. I'm AJ Simmons, and hopefully I see you inside the Clean Biz Network. Thank you.